The kitties are going to be super excited. This is their fountain that they used to love, but it's broken. So I had to order a new fountain, but I ordered a different one because I don't want to get the same one and have it break again. That did last maybe 2 years. I have very curious kitties, and it's upside down. That's not cool. Info. So it's been traveling upside down, and it's like, oh, that's a beautiful cat. I always wanted a cat like that. So it's blue, and blue is really rare because I've always only seen the red one, and I didn't want the red with those because I didn't want it to look like Christmas. He's sitting in the box. Ooh, I'll dollar off the filter. Well, first step is there's a little triangular thing in here, and I think this is the pump. And this must be the filter, which is really weird that it just goes around in a circle around it. Apparently that side. Let's put this through here. This would be nice to clean. That plastic one, it was alright to clean, but it had a lot of little nozzles and stuff. Stay down, little thing. Okay, so I put like this little thing in and align it with the cord. Down in there, and then this goes over. Interesting. Press down to your snap. Don't drink that water, I'm making new water. Okay, so I guess you put it in here. Alright, let's try the water. We just gotta hook this up. This is just like my other one. You hook the end of this up to this one, and you plug it in. Gotta fill it with water though. Maya, you don't have to drink out of your old one. We've got a new one now. Wait a minute. I know you want the fresh water, but wait till it comes out. It's gonna be awesome. Watch. Ooh. Ooh, I like the noise it makes. Some people complained, but I like it. It is loud. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you away. Max, come here. Come on. Come check it out. Maya, you like it. She loves running water. Oh my gosh. And they can drink out of the top. Oh, it's awesome.